Hiya, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make some homemade sweet chilli sauce. Slightly different from normal sweet chilli sauce because this does not have any garlic in it because I can't stand the stuff. This can be okay in your fridge for about 2 weeks after you've made it. So I'm going to take a pan, add some water, some white vinegar, some sugar, a small bit of salt, some chili flakes, some chili paste, and that's it for the moment. So we're going to mix this, make sure it's all nicely combined, and boil it for about 5 minutes. You want to make sure all that sugar dissolves, and you don't want this to burn, so while it's actually cooking for the 5 minutes you want to keep it stirring occasionally. You don't want to just let it sit for the full 5 minutes. And once you've done that for 5 minutes, you want to, in a separate small bowl, you want to add some corn flour and some water. You want to mix that nicely so there's no lumps in it, and we're going to use this to actually thicken the sauce so it's not super runny. Like I say, you want to mix this up so there's no lumps in it before you add it to the sauce. Then once you've added this to the sauce, you just mix it around, and you only need a couple of minutes and it starts to thicken up, and depending on how thick you want it, just keep going until you get to the consistency you actually like, because I like mine fairly thick. And that's pretty much it. The only thing to do after that is to transfer it to some sort of bowl or jar. Like I say, it keeps in the fridge for a couple of weeks, so you don't have to worry about it going off too quickly. And that's it, that's done. So I hope you liked it. If you make it and you enjoyed it, let me know, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!